Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to share Instagram posts to WordPress with images. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to create a new post on my Instagram account, then I wish to create that same post on my WordPress account as well. So now to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be Instagram and my action application will be WordPress. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we will understand how to share Instagram posts to WordPress with images. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to create a new post on my Instagram account, then I want to create the same post on my WordPress account as well. So now in order to automate this entire process, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and this here is the home page. So in order to reach here, you just have to type in pabbly.com/connect in your browser. So here you can see that I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can simply sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. In the meanwhile, subscribe to our channel. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as share Instagram post to WordPress with images. On my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Instagram to WordPress automation, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to share Instagram posts to WordPress. So over here, you can see that here in WordPress, this is the post that has been created from the Instagram post. So now in order to automate this entire process, I will go to my trigger window, and as I have a business account, so over here, I'm going to search for Instagram for business as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be new media posted in my account. So this trigger will fetch the new media that I'm going to share on my Instagram account. So now moving to action window, as I want to create a post in my WordPress account. So over here, WordPress will be my action application. Here it is. And the action event will be to create a new post. So here, yes, you can see that I've selected my action application and the action event along with the trigger application and the trigger event. So as my objective is that whenever I'm going to share a new post on my Instagram account, then the same post should be created on my WordPress account as well. So now to begin with the automation, firstly, I need to set up a connection between my Instagram business account and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now, in order to add a new connection, I will simply click on connect with Instagram for business. I've already opened my account in one of the tabs. And here you can see that the authorization was successful. So here you can see that my Instagram account and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected, and this here is my Instagram account username. So our trigger application is a polling based one. So this trigger will check for new data in every 10 minutes. That means it will fetch the new data over here in Pabbly Connect in every 10 minutes. So as I will click on the save and send test request button, then it is going to get the most latest post which I would have created on my Instagram account. So now I'm going to take you to my Instagram account and I'm going to create a new post. So over here, I'm going to select the image from my desktop. So here I'm going to select this image. I'm going to click on open. And now I'm just going to click on next. I'm going to click on next. And here I'm going to write a caption. So this here is the caption that I've framed for this post. And now I'm going to click on share. And here you can see that the post has been shared. So I'm just going to refresh this page. And here you can see that this post has been shared successfully on my Instagram account. So now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect, and over here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I'm setting up this automation, so over here I'm going to get the response of the most latest post which I've created, that was this post. So over here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that I have received the details, and over here this is the media URL. So that means this here is the image URL. So I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to show you over here as well. So here you can see that this here was the image that I've used, and here in Pabbly Connect I have got the Instagram post link as well. So I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to paste it in a new tab, and here you can see that this here is the post link. So that means in Pabbly Connect, I have successfully got the details of the new post which I've shared on my Instagram account. Here you can see the caption as well. So that means now whenever I'm going to share a new post on my Instagram account, then automatically that post details will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will check for new data in every 10 minutes. So as I've got the post details over in Pabbly Connect, now by using these details, I wish to create the same post on my WordPress account as well. So in order to do that, I will go to this action window of WordPress, and now I need to build a connection. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now in order to add a new connection, I need to mention the WordPress username or email, WordPress password, and the base URL. So over here for base URL, I'm going to take you to my WordPress account, and over here in this URL, this here is the base URL. So I'm just going to copy it, and over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. So as I've mentioned the base URL, now I just have to mention my WordPress username or email and the WordPress password in order to establish a connection. So as I've already have an existing connection, so I will go with the same. But if you want to add a new connection, so just mention your WordPress username or email along with the password and this base URL. So I will go with the existing connection, and I'm going to click on save. You can see that WordPress and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So here the post type will be of post. I'm going to mention the post title and the post content. So over here, as you can see that in the caption, we have got a very detailed caption. So I'm going to split this caption in a part so that I can get the post title. For that, I'm going to use text formatter by Pabbly. So by using text formatter by Pabbly, I'm going to split the text in parts. So over here, I'm going to split the text. I'm going to click on connect. And over here, the text to split will be the caption. So here I'm going to map the caption from the response received from Instagram for Business. Now moving to the separator. So here I want this as the caption, that will be importance of work-life. So here I want this as the title, that will be importance of work-life balance. So before work-life, this here's the caption. So over here I'm going to mention the separator as work-life. So once I've mentioned the separator, now I'm going to select the segment index as first because I want the first part, that is of the post title. So I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see that I have received the response, and here in the response I have got the title of my post. So here in WordPress, I'm going to map that post title from this text formatter step. I'm going to map the post title, that is importance of work-life balance, from text formatter by Pabbly. Now moving to the post content. So here to mention the post content, firstly I'm going to mention the image URL, and then I'm going to mention the rest of the part of the caption. So here the image will be mentioned in this format. So over here between these quotes, I'm going to map the link of the image. So over here's the link, I have mapped it. So now I'm just going to map the caption. So from Instagram for Business, here is the caption and I've mapped it. So as you can see that I have mapped the details in these fields. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details, moving further, here I want the status to be of publish. Scrolling down, here is the comment status, open, here is the author ID. So as I've mapped the details which I want to share it in my WordPress post, so now I'm going to click on save and send test request. I have received the response, and this here is a positive response. That means a post would have been created on my WordPress account. So I'm going to open this link for you. So I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to paste it. This here is the post that I have been created on my WordPress account. Here you can see the image, and over here is the content. And here under post, you can see that this here is the new post that has been created, and you can see the post over here. So here that means a post has been successfully created on my WordPress account from the post which I've shared on my Instagram account. So this automation was a successful one. That means now whenever I'm going to create a new post on my Instagram account, then automatically that post will be shared as a post on my WordPress account as well. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.